Hello everyone. For our lesson today, let's discuss C# variables. So what is C# variables? These are the location in memory which values can be stored. They have a name, a type, and a value. So basically, variable is a storage in a C# program. So ano yung tatandaan natin na variables? So ano yung tatandaan natin na keyword in variables here in C#? Ayun ay yung variable type, variable name, equal, and then variable value. And also, don't forget the semicolon. So, the variable type, variable name, equals variable value. And then, the semicolon. Okay, let's see kung ano ba yung natin sa ilalim. So, variable type, string, variable name, school name, equal, variable value, is cited, and then semicolon. Here naman, variable type, variable name, equals, variable value, and then semicolon. So, alamin natin isa-isa kung ano ba si variable type, variable name, and variable value. So, to create a variable here in C#, we need to specify this keyword. So, what is variable type? So, variable type is a C# type or value which can be integer, string, and so on. But for now, magpo-focus muna tayo kay integer, which is for the numbers like 1, 2, 10. String naman is for the group of characters. For example, ang string natin is your name. For example, my name. So, string is any word. Ano naman yung variable name? Variable name is the name of the variable. So, para ma-identify natin ang isang variable, kailangan niya ng variable name. That is the variable name. So, equal sign naman is used to assign value to the variable name. So, that's why makikita nyo dito sa structure natin na variable name equal variable value. So, what is the value? So, variable value is the value stored in a variable. So, let's get back. So, for example, in this, the variable type is string. So, dahil string siya, dapat ang ilalagay mo sa kanya ay string din. Group of characters like cited, like your name, like your strand, TVL. And then, ano yung variable name niya? Ang variable name niya is school name. It depends sa programmer kung ano yung gusto niya maging variable name. Pero para mas maging structured ang isang declaration ng variables, ay dapat associated si variable name sa magiging value niya. Like school name, so the school name is cited. So dito naman, integer yung variable type niya. Integer kasi number yung nakastore sa kanya. So the variable name is school year because ang nakastore sa kanya, di ba, ay 2021, which is our school year today. So for example, string, create a variable called school name. So must be type string and then assign the value cited. So ano yung itsura niya? So string, school name, and then the value is cited. So integer naman, syempre number. So create a variable called school year, type integer, and store the value 2021. So integer, school year, and then 2021. Integer, number, and then school year. So year is also number. That's why 2021 is stored in integer. So let's discuss variable assignment. So here we are declaring the value of the variable hindi sa mismong variable declaration natin. So this is our variable declaration. So we are assigning the value late. That's why variable assignment yung tawag sa kanya. Late na natin ina-assign kung ano ba yung magiging value niya. For example, dineclare natin si integer school year. And then, ang variable assignment natin is tinawag lang natin si variable name equal to 2021. So that is variable assignment. So after you declare the variable, you can store the value later after the declaration. So paano ba gagawin nyo? Tatawagin mo lang syempre si variable name, si equal sign, and then yung value na i-store mo. So dahil integer siya, that's why integer pa rin dapat or number pa rin dapat yung nakastore kay school year. So kanina nalaman natin kung paano ba yung declaration. So ngayon naman, gagamit na tayo ng console.writeLine. So console.writeLine is ginagamit natin to print out or to output or to display the value na gusto natin ipakita sa console or sa screen natin. Okay, for example, I declare the value string and then Scitech, yung value niya. Then the variable name is school name. So, paano natin ma-display si school name? So, syempre, nandyan si console.writeLine. So, this keyword or this line of code is used para makapag-display, di ba? Sa loob nito, ilalagay mo lang si school name. So, sir, ano po itong welcome to? So, welcome to, ito yung another part na gusto natin i-display para maging buo or maging isang sentence siya. Welcome to Scitech. So, let's try. Okay, here in my Visual Studio, I will declare string and then the value is, or the variable name is school name. So, I will use camel casing because it is a variable. And after that, nasa loob dapat siya ng double quotation because string, group of characters. So, my school name is Scitech or our school name is Scitech. And then, let's now start our console.writeLine. Console.writeLine. So, tandaan na case sensitive. Nakakapitalize dapat yung mga letter na nakakapitalize. And then, inside the console.writeLine, lalagay natin si welcome to. Okay, so ngayon, nalagay na natin si welcome to. Lagay muna natin si semicolon before natin tawagin itong variable natin. So, tignan muna natin kung ano yung magiging display niya. So, it will display, okay, medyo matagal. It will display welcome to. So, dahil ito yung nasa loob ng console.writeLine natin. So, sir, paano pag gusto natin isama si school name? So, ganito lang gagawin nyo. Dapat wala na sa loob ng double quotation. Labas kayo doon. Lagyan mo lang siya ng plus sign. Then, tawagin mo si school name. Then, paste. Control save. So, the output will be, close ko lang itong si MD ko. Then, the output will be welcome to Scitech. So, walang space. Lagyan mo lang siya ng space dito. Control save. Then, run the program again. Then, welcome to Scitech. So, that is how we display variable here in C#. So, madali lang, di ba? So, pwede, ang gawin natin ay, kung gusto mo naman na yung variable lang i-display mo, tanggalin mo lang to. So, the name of the variable lang. So, school name. So, syempre, ang magiging output niya ay school name lang. Which is nakastore ay Scitech. Next naman is adding variable pag string. So, for example, meron tayo ditong tatlong declaration. Una is my first name, next is my second name, and then string full name. So, dito ko siya pag-a-addin. Gagamit lang tayo syempre dito ng add sign or plus sign. So, let's try. First, hindi ko na buburahin si string. Lalagay ko si full name. I mean, si first name. So, my first name is Jasper. And then, string again. This is naman the storage for my last name. Okay, so meron ako ngayon dito ng dalawang declaration, my first name and last name. So, gusto ko siyang i-output. Ano ba yung pwede kong gawin? For example, lagay ko lang dito si first name, copy ko lang to. So, tandaan nyo guys, nasa loob ako ng main method natin. So, paano mo kung nasasabing nasa loob ka ng main method? Dapat nasa loob ka ng curly braces. Palitan ko lang siya ng last name. So, last name. So, wala dapat guys sa loob ng quotation kapag variable yung tinatawag natin, tandaan. So, try to run the program again. And then Jasper Garcia. So, paano kapag gusto ko siyang pagsamahin? Ang gawin mo lang, you can declare another variable dito, string full name, and then add mo lang si first name plus last name. And then you can erase this. Tawagin lang natin si full name. Run the program. And then Jasper Garcia, makadikit siya kasi hindi natin nalagyan ng space. So, paano yung pwede mong gawin dyan? Pwedeng ganito. Lagyan mo lang ng space kay R. Okay, Jasper Garcia. So, pwede rin naman yung ganito yung gawin nyo kahit hindi na kayo mag-declare ng isang variable. Kung isang beses mo lang naman siya gagamitin, para hindi redundant yung code or hindi humaba yung code, pwede mong copy mo na lang siya dito. Si first name plus last name. Control save. So, tanggalin lang natin semicolon. Maka-error yan. And then, Jasper Garcia. So, that is the combination or adding to string. Let's now continue sa adding variables kapag naman numeric. So, kapag numeric, for numeric values, the plus character works as mathematical operator. Ibig sabihin, ginagamit na natin dito yung integer na variable type and then gumagamit rin tayo dito ng plus para pag-add yung value. Parang 1 plus 1 lang. 1 plus 1 is equal to. So, let's declare integer ngayon. Burahin ko na ulit siya. Burahin ko rin muna yung laman, i-console natin. So, declare tayo ngayon ng dalawang variable. Si int y is equal to 10. And then si int x is equal to 15. After ko mag-declare ng two variable, try natin siya pag-addin. So, pwede ka sa loob ng right line na mag-add. X plus y. Control save. Try to run the program. So, 10 plus 15 is 25. Tama yung sagot natin. So, pwede rin naman ganito. Kaya nung ginawa mo kanina, mag-declare ka ng isang variable, pangalanan mo siya ng sum. And it will be equal to y plus x. So, tawagin lang dito natin si sum. So, x plus y, 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. So, rules in declaring variable name. So, ito yung mga rules na kailangan natin tandaan. Names can contain letters, digits, and underscore characters. So, it can contain. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng may letters, digits, and underscore character. Name must begin with letter. Tandaan, letter lagi tayo nag-uumpisa sa declaring ng variable natin. And name should start with a lowercase letter and it cannot contain white spaces. So, variable name, wala dapat tayong white spaces. So, ano yung white spaces? Basically, yung space. For example, ang variable name mo ay ganito. Grade. And then, level. So, grade level, meron ka ditong white space, magkaka-error yan. So, mali yan. Names are case sensitive. My bar and my bar na maliit yung si Victory are different variables. So, di ba dapat, ano susundin natin? Itong camel casing naming convention. So, ito yung tama. Reserved words like in or double cannot be used as variable name. So, let me show an example. So, ito yung mga wrong way na declaration. So, string, one school name is equal to SciTech dahil nag-start tayo sa 1. So, wrong siya. This is the correct one. So, walang 1 sa umpisa. Naka-camel casing. So, kompleto yung structure. Tama. So, string, full name, Chandler Bing, may space. So, mali din siya. Pero yung tama, walang space. And then, int school year is equal to Chandler Bing. And then, check natin to console the try niya. In school year. So, ano yung mali? Isa-isahin natin. School year, S-C-H-O-O, malaking Y-E-A-R. Check natin yung declaration niya, S-C-H-O-O, maliit na Y. So, error na yan dyan. That's why malito. Dahil case sensitive, dapat pareho sila. School year, school year, pareho yung casing na ginamit. And then, this one naman, string int is equal to intents. So, anong mali dito? Ang mali dito ay gumamit tayo ng keyword na int. So, mali siya. Ang tama dapat is kung gusto mong gamitin si int, dagdagan mo pa siya ng another text or another character para hindi siya maging isang reserved keyword. So, ito yung tama, int word. So, this is the correct one. Make sure to watch this video before our next synchronous class